y'all, it's Nisha here and welcome to today's video. We're here and we're going to do my last wash and go of 2022. I feel like I got hair in my mouth. Anyways, Alright, so if you're new to my channel or maybe you haven't heard me really talk about it, but once we get into fall and winter, I don't really do wash and goes. I basically go October to maybe like March or April, no wash and goes, just because doing wash and goes frequently on my type 4 hair isn't the greatest for my hair, but I do love wash and goes. So we not ever getting rid of them, but I just gotta do them sparingly. That's just a long way of me saying that this is my last wash and go, but we will be trying out some new products today. We'll be trying out some products from Kinky Tresses. Now, if you didn't know, they came out with a new Botanical Curl Defining Mousse and also the Botanical Curl Defining Gel. I did mention these in my most recent new and natural hair releases video. I'll go ahead and link that video up in the cards for you, but it's basically a video where I talk about the newest releases and natural hair, whether I would pick them up or not, and obviously I picked these up. Now, I wasn't sure exactly if I was just going to use the gel alone or if I was going to use the mousse with the gel. They both say that if you want more definition in your hair to use them together. So I think what I'm going to do is on my left side, your right side, I'm going to use just the gel, and then on my right side, your left side, we're going to use both of these together. This gel also does say that you can use it says lightly apply a leave-in conditioner. I didn't lightly apply. I applied how I normally did. I did not use the Kinky Tresses leave-in because to me that's not my most favorite leave-in. It does what it needs to do when combined with their butter. It's a good combination, but alone I don't really care for it, and so I need to make sure I got a good base. So I went in with the Trey Luxe Untie the Knot leave-in. That's one of my favorites, so that's what I have in my hair right now. My hair is soaking wet. As you can see, my chest is soaking wet. All I did was just hop out of the shower and put a plastic bag on. I did not towel dry or anything. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned, if I didn't mention that. In fact, I did try a new deep conditioner that has just caused so much like controversy in the natural hair world community, so I'll go ahead and leave that video up in the cards for you as well. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. I post new videos twice a week, so if you're subscribed, don't hit that notification bell, then you won't miss another upload from me. So let's just go ahead and hop into this wash and go. We are getting into the gel first, like I said, and we're gonna start on this back section right here. This is like a spur of the moment type of purchase. I really didn't think about this, but the products that I've tried thus far from Kinky Tresses I've really loved, and y'all know I'm always on the hunt for a good gel. So as soon as one of my subscribers let me know that this gel was available, I went ahead and purchased it and didn't even pay attention to ingredients or anything. I was just like, oh, a new gel, I gotta have it. This does claim to have medium hold. Y'all know that medium hold is not my thing. I want strong hold. But I have tried some gels, aka B-Girl Custard, Honey Custard, whatever it's called. Basically the Do's B-Girl collection, that gel claims that it's a soft hold and no crunch, and it gives me all the crunch that I want. So we'll see. You know, someone's medium hold, maybe someone's strong hold. I don't know. I don't know. It smells really good. This is my first time actually opening it. It smells really good, and it has a similar texture to that of the Nature's Little Secret Ochre Gel. Has a very similar texture. Can y'all see that? It's more of like a custard type of texture. So we're gonna get into the claims and ingredients and directions on how to use it while I'm applying it, but right now I just want to go ahead and do my first impressions. I'm emulsifying the gel in my hands. I went in with only a little bit, and immediately I need more. upon application, it doesn't feel super moisturizing, but it doesn't feel dry either. I do feel like it is defining my curls, if y'all can tell, but it's definitely giving me medium hold vibes. I'm gonna try to put a little bit more at the roots. Really rake it through. Okay, so we got some really good definition. I don't know if y'all can see that, but we got good definition. My hair doesn't feel dry. It is clumping my curls, which I like. I feel like I am going in with a lot of product, but I'm heavy-handed, so what's new? Okay, so far so good. We're gonna keep going with this backside, and then when I get to this right backside, then we'll go in with the mousse. So let's get into the specs of this gel. So Kinky Tresses claims that it's going to define, nourish, and moisturize your hair. It also claims that it's flake-free, alcohol-free, and has medium hold. Now, I'm not going to get into too many details of the directions because, y'all, it's a whole paragraph. But it does say to apply this on detangled, soaking wet hair, that applying a leave-in conditioner is optional, like I mentioned. And it does suggest that you sit under a hooded dryer or diffuse your hair. And it specifically says at the bottom that it pairs nicely with the curl defining mousse for more hold and more definition. So once I read that, I was like, okay, yeah, we're going to use both of these on the other side just to see what kind of results I get. Now, as far as the ingredients go, there's distilled water, there's lavender flower extract, horsetail extract, rosemary extract, nettle leaf extract, a bunch of different extracts basically, y'all. There is some hydrolyzed wheat protein at the end and provitamin B5. I did skip the middle part of the ingredients, but it is a coconut oil free, it is aloe vera juice free, and it also is glycerin free. Alright, y'all, so now that we've done this backside with just the gel, we're gonna go and do this backside with with the mousse and the gel. My hands are so slippery. So this gel is supposed to tame frizz, define curls, add shine, and flexible hold, fast drying, and alcohol free. Start off with that much. The mousse feels really moisturizing, and it's defining my curls. Not as much as the gel, but it's definitely defining my curls. Might have used just a little bit too much, so I am going to kind of rake off the excess. And then we're gonna go in with the gel, emulsify it in our hands. Okay, so I'm getting really good definition, and I'm getting more shine with the gel, and with the mousse. I'm getting more shine with the mousse, and I feel like I'm getting more clumped curls with the mousse. But we're just gonna go ahead and continue, and I'll give you all the specs on this mousse as I'm applying it to my hair. Kinky Tresses claims that this botanical curl defining mousse will tame your frizz, define curls, add shine, and flexible hold, that it's fast drying and also alcohol free. These directions are also very lengthy, but it basically says to apply 1 to 2 pumps of the botanical curl defining mousse to each of your sections. For twists and braids, you want to, of course, twist or braid as desired and allow hair to completely dry before separating and fluffing. For wash and go styling, you want to add the foam to your hair, and for some additional definition and hold, you'll add the botanical curl defining gel on top. For best results, it's also recommended to sit under a hooded dryer or to diffuse your hair. Now, looking at the ingredients, they're actually very similar to the gel. So there's distilled water, there's the lavender flower extract, the horsetail extract, the rosemary leaf extract, the nettle leaf extract. I know this is sounding very familiar. And then if you skip down, there is an ingredient that I don't know how to pronounce, but it's coconut oil derived. So I know for those of you who don't like coconut oil, I don't know how something that's derived from coconut oil will react to your hair, but just wanted to let you know that. There's also some pro vitamin B5, but there isn't any protein in here. It is also glycerin free. So I'm just applying the products to my hair again on my right side. Is it my right side? No. My left side, we're doing the gel only, and on my right side, we're doing the gel and the mousse. So just applying the products, and then I'm going to show y'all what my wet results look like. Alright y'all, so my camera kind of died towards the end of me applying products, but this is what my hair is looking like. Again, this is the gel only side, this is the gel and mousse side. I feel like my gel and mousse side is a bit more defined, a bit more clumped. I feel like this side is still super defined, but I feel like it's less definition than this side. I am worried about the hold. Definition looks bomb, amazing. I'm worried about the hold, just to be honest, and the longevity of this. But what I'm going to do now is go ahead and sit under the dryer. It is 12 a.m. y'all. So I'm going to sit under the dryer for probably about an hour-ish, probably like 45 minutes. And then I'll go ahead and diffuse my roots, spin my hair to go to sleep at night, and then show y'all my final results tomorrow. But I mean, so far, so good. But then again, this hold, y'all, I don't know about it. But anyways, I'll see y'all tomorrow with my day 1 results. Alright y'all, so we are back. Today is day 1 of my results. And before I get into the details, I just want to give y'all like a close-up of what my hair looks like. Again, this is the gel only side, and this is the gel and the mousse side. So first, let's talk about what I love. There's not very much that I love, spoiler alert. I do love the volume. I love me some big hair. So big hair on day 1, I love it. Typically that means that my hair is not going to last very long if my hair is this big on day 1. But I can't help that I love the look of big hair. Like, I just love the look of big hair. My hair is defined. I will say, wet results, I definitely liked the mousse and the gel side a lot better. It just looked more defined, more shiny. But as it dried, I definitely do prefer the gel only side a lot better. I just feel like it has more hold. I feel like this is just like a little bit too soft, a little bit too frizzy. My hair feels dry on both sides. Feels super dry. I know that I'm going to have to re-moisturize my hair probably day 3, if not tomorrow. To be quite honest, I might just put this up in a puff because I love the definition. I love the curls, but my hair just feels dry. So I might just re-moisturize it and put it up in a puff. Also, I do get a little bit of flaking. Not too much, but I do get some flaking. That could be me because the girl was definitely heavy-handed, even though I'm pretty sure it told me that a little bit goes a long way, like all the other products do, and I do what I want as far as the amount that I apply to my hair. So a little bit of flaking, not anything too crazy, but I know that if I was wearing like a black shirt right now, y'all would definitely see some flakes. Again, this is definitely medium hold. There was a bit of crunch on this side earlier today, but that has since kind of just like worn off. This is just not my most favorite gel, and yeah, it's just not my most favorite gel. Like, my hair looks good, but it doesn't feel good. And I think that's what's really bothering me. If these products didn't have my hair feeling as dry as my hair is feeling right now, this would be, you know, a much better or a much more positive review. But my hair is so dry, and I can't get down with that. I just do not like dry hair. Even with me using a leave-in, I mean, I guess I could maybe try the butter with this, but y'all know, like I said earlier, this is my last wash and go of 2022, so we won't be trying it with the butter anytime soon. So do y'all have to go grab these products? Absolutely not. At least not for a wash and go. I might mess around. Actually, no, I think I am going to use these for a twist out, and I will pair these with probably the butter from Kinky Tresses. So I will let y'all know how it works on a twist out braid out. See if I get some more moisture by adding another layer of moisture underneath. We'll see. But for a wash and go, this is a no. In fact, I'm gonna try to link these products down below, but I did notice last night when I was looking at their website that I don't see either of these products on their website anymore. So I don't know if they got rid of these because they realized that people weren't liking them as much as they thought they would. If maybe there was like an issue with manufacturing, production, maybe this was limited edition and I just didn't know it. I don't know, but it's not on the website right now. If it is, you'll see the link down below. If not, I don't know what to tell y'all. Those are my thoughts on these two botanical curl defining products from Kinky Tresses. If y'all have gotten your hands on this, if y'all have tried it, let me know what your thoughts are. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let us know down below. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up because it definitely does help my channel. And as always, I'm so grateful and thankful for each and every one of y'all watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!